Union Minister of State for External Affairs R.K. Ranjan said that though CAA will be implemented in Manipur, it has a clause to protect the indigenous people. However, the same act will not be applied to the illegal influx from Myanmar. The Union Minister stated this in an official video released on social media platforms. R.K. Ranjan said before the CAA was passed in the Parliament in 2019, it drew flags from different angles, and discussion was also to exempt the act for some states, particularly Manipur. Considering the sentiment of the people of Manipur, the centre introduced the inner line permit ILP system in the state. This was followed by the demand for implementation of NRC from the part of the state government. Dr. R.K. Ranjan said that even though non-Muslim minority migrants from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan, Indian citizenship would be granted under CAA. Nevertheless, the migrants must produce official documents like birth certificate, tenancy records, identity proof and educational certificates, among others, from their respective countries.
Asigumba Amendment Act asina akoigi apikpa yeloni group asigi identity, language, amasung magi economic power plus political power da masigi insecure feeling ama laibisigi damakta akoigi Manipur government ki Honorable Chief Minister Shri Biren Singh nasu protection ase asumuk central government da apikpa akoigi laibaki doctor di naklo pibi na haidin lai akoi samaksu akoigi inner line permit se adumak implement tawna na bai koi panjaringi aduga loinana ain gi wangu da sangpa mitop sing ase masi deportation tawbinabagi adugumba achouba khudong chaba ma aikoina lahobo yai aikoi khudingmangna across the political party, across the ethnic communities 1961 gi as the base oiraga masigi matungda lakpa singdudi Manipur da laiba mi singdaba India gi citizenship orendaba haibase aikoi khudingmangna central government ta pressure dominacy haina ei bayamda thabjari